Good morning on this Thursday. Beautiful colors outside. If you get a great picture of the sunrise, tweet it, Facebook, or send me an email, and we may have you be our pick of the morning. I have a great one that'll be coming up in the next hour to show you. But for right now, let's talk about your temperatures outside. Very mild. Those clouds just holding in the heat from yesterday. In fact, we're seeing mostly mid to upper 50s, close to 60 right now in Santa Maria. And we do have a few advisories to talk about. First one's the wind advisory. That goes until Friday morning. That's this aqua shaded area, so that does include the Santa Barbara Mountains. And we also have a high surf advisory that is in effect through 8 p.m. on Friday. So that's pretty much the west coast, all those west-facing beaches in San Luis Obispo, Santa Barbara, and even down into Ventura County. As I mentioned, seeing a lot of cloud cover this morning, even a little bit of rainfall as we have a system move through to our north. Paso Robles, Cambria, San Luis Obispo County might see a slight shower this morning. Nothing crazy like we saw this last weekend, but here's what we can expect as we get into the day. Right around noon, again, we could see a little bit of light showers up to the northern part of the county, but as we get into tonight, skies clear. Should be a gorgeous sunset for you, and that's going to continue for us as we get into your Friday afternoon. Not much cloud cover, so temperatures are going to start to warm up pretty nicely for us, and we'll hold those clear skies as we get into Saturday. But for today, up and down the coast, slightly cooler in some areas. We'll see low 70s along the south coast, heading up into San Luis Obispo County, 67 in Santa Maria, Buellton at 70, 69 in Santa Ynez. And as we go up toward Paso Robles, you're going to hit 69 today, as well as San Luis Obispo, and we'll see low 60s at the beaches. Here's your 7-day forecast, what you can expect as we get into the weekend. And as I mentioned, those temperatures skyrocket as we get into Saturday into the upper 70s in Santa Barbara, and the same thing in Santa Maria. You're going to hold the upper 70s for a few days before our next system moves through and cools us off as we start off the brand new work week. And just a reminder that on Saturday night, set your clock ahead an hour because Sunday is daylight saving time. San Luis Obispo, here's your 7-day forecast. 80 degrees on Saturday. That chance this morning for some light showers, but other than that, though, we stay mostly dry. Ventura County could see a little bit of patchy fog, but otherwise the sun comes out in full force starting tomorrow, and you climb to 81 by Saturday.